We are living in a generation full of options. But Elijah said something in 1 Kings 18 that still hits hard today. How long will you waver between two opinions? If God is God, follow him. 1 Kings 18:21 says, but the people said nothing. That's the part that gets me. Elijah calls out the confusion, the compromise, and the people said nothing. Because silence is easy when surrender costs something. 450 prophets of Baal screaming and begging all day long, nothing but one man, one prayer, one fire from heaven. Because he didn't perform, he obeyed. He didn't shout louder, he trusted deeper. 1 Kings 18:38 says, then the fire of the Lord fell. God doesn't answer hype, he answers holiness. You don't need to prove yourself, post louder, or play religious games. You need to build the altar, pour the water, and watch the fire fall. Type send the fire in the comments if you're ready for God to burn up everything that's not from him. This is not the season to blend in. It's the season to call down fire. God bless you.